the thing what him say.
It's at 4 o'clock and we do it till 5 o'clock.
We can say one more thing, Baba.
It is time to go.
Uncle, watch you know. That's why St. Thomas can better. Cause we fight every team what we do. We don't move up. We tired of one.
Blessed day, my people. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the unruly boss Popcaan confronting the police them after shutting down unruly fest in St. Thomas this morning. And that was while Joshie did a perform. Popcaan get dark on them and start cuss up some bad word, my people. You see me? And a lot of persons not really blame the entertainer. You understand, my people? So I'll show you the video and we're going to talk about it. Also, we're going to talk about a police woman calling up her own son after he allegedly rushed her with a KNIFE. You understand, my people? Very sad situation. Also, we're going to talk about Foota hype using busy signal to blast young artists about the dirty lyrics they must sing after them recently got a plaque for a song where busy signal is featured in. You understand, my people? Also, we're going to talk about Fully Bad and Coyote conducting a recent interview together, and the two man them actually do good on the interview, my people. Of course, you know the two of them are going to clash a sting. So, you know, I like how them conduct themselves. It kind of seems like there is no bad blood between them. So we're going to talk about that. Also, we're going to talk about Miss Kitty's husband surprising her with a 2024 Range Rover, my people. And also, we're going to talk about T.O.K performing the Chichi Man song after cutting ties with it. You see it, my people? So, yeah, man, them did a perform with Bounty Killer, and you don't know, them a perform the song Said We and things. So, what talk about it? But before I'm going to further into the topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, head over to my Instagram page, Mix Up Time 4. Would I definitely appreciate that. All right, people. The first thing we're going to talk about is Foota hype using busy signal for blast a lot of the young entertainers. Now, Busy Signal was featured on a track, Zane, I think with like a Latin girl or, you know, one of them Latin songs, the Zane it named After Party, right? After Party, yeah. And you don't know, Foota hype posted the producer showing off his billboard plaque and thing. And Foota hype say, yo, you don't have to sing dirty music, you don't have to sing nasty music, and you still can reach far. You understand? No matter of fact, the man that say nasty music not reach nowhere. But I look at all them, you know, the good songs, them, like where Busy put out, Sean Paul put out, them not talk about girl that go down upon them. So of course, he might talk about the young artists, them want to sing the bag of nasty song them and expect for reach far. You understand what I say, my people? So obviously when you see the video in the background with the producer pulling package and you don't know a show off him plaque. So Foota did repost that and him tag Busy Signal and Crabber Genius and him say proves that dirty content can't win. You see it, my people. Foota him never stop this, so him go live and him basically call out the young entertainers them for the type of lyrics them. Cause even what they know, Foota burn out Russian dirty money ready, you know. And I talk about the nasty song them where they on it, Vibes Cartel get a piece of the fire. All of the man them who have the dirty lyrics them basically get it. And you know Brisker one of them. I don't even know all of the song them because so much song them on dirty money ready. But yeah, my people, listen what Foota hype professor now and you don't know, only can tell me when you think. You see it?
Them man they keep collecting awards, I don't know how I going. If you look earlier and see me post a video and some picture with Crabber Genius and me tag Busy, them just release a song where them collaborate with two Spanish people. And them a collect billboard plaque already and even 6 months since the song they release. That no normal. Billboard have to send them about 3 plaque already. I'm telling them it's a Busy Signal, me no know. But him no normal. Busy Signal no normal in the world. The song not even released 6 months yet. And Crabber cannot collect so much billboard plaque already. Me never see billboard that send out plaque so early yet. No, so right now to go Crabber placa. Busy placa to blood clot, the amount of plaque them and them have. And I want the youth them to understand. None of them songs where I collect them something here. And you know, lick out this and name out this and drink piss and them something them. Bro, me no want to hear them then in a song me deep, me G. You're mad, man. Notice the song them. What do you see them put up something Sean Paul have must in 9th space per one chart with song. And Sean Paul now do them dirty music there. So it goes to show yourself. Sean Paul, Charlie Black them, show yourself dirty content don't work. Remember Sean Paul name at Dirty Paul, but him still a show yourself dirty content don't work. The youth, them have to clean up what them a sing, say, bro. TJ song Drift are one of the biggest songs right now. You know, hear nothing in it about no nastiness, bro. Even Barry must say a song, you know, hear nothing about no eating and no rare, brother. Like, you need to Lego that, bro. The man, them need to Lego that out of the music. It's not selling, bro. Why are you doing it? Why not inject them something in the music? Because you're not freak? Because you're not eat too? Or not do? You don't got to talk the part of the girl do, but you not talk the part where you do. No, Lego that, bro. Kadid, 2 mil bars here call me. How much name you now give me now? No, I don't know if you're not tired of it, you know, people. I'm tired to hear it. I'm tired to hear it. Everything drink this, suck this, name this, drink me juice, juice come through nose. Like what? Come on, man. I mean, I see no one sell nothing. All I was sing them nastiness, they won't follow it. The youth them will follow it. Why are you following it? You're supposed to follow things that motivate you, you know. So if them song they not sell no gold, no platinum, no diamond, no copper, no condensed tin, no sardine tin, I won't follow that content ever. Won't follow that content ever. Me know of people follow good things. And follow things where them see say, yeah, prosperous. How? Me not understand. You not sell nothing? You not selling anything? You not sell nothing. You not going to make the fan base cut. You not going to make the fan base go. You not have to stop. You not have to like Foota, but just listen to what I say, man. You understand? Just listen to what I say. Look upon the bigger picture. Stop making your tongue control in the dog. Don't make the freaking out no control in the bro. When you hold it have some substance, man. Have a little militance with the music, bro. Lego them look a style there, bro. How busy can release a song in less than 6 months? That Spanish song there. And I see it mash up the whole of my Spanish place, but I look and see crab have plaque. You understand me? I say, come on now. Chip chip cherry now. Sadiq could say, come on now. Chip chip cherry now. You know, it's the snowman. That's $1 million. Snowman. Foota, let me tell you this, moral days gone, brother. Money, the man, them a deal it. Alright. I'm look, my granny used to always say, what does it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul? I can call some name as some youth who are busting, huh? You know, right now, they might take a loan. They might borrow money from people. And them bust big. Then sang Guan. Everybody Foota, you chat too much, move. Some girl used to cuss me, you're too boring. You know, spice up your sex life. Me not do spice. Spice cup and food. Spice cup and something to eat. Me not do spice. You understand me? I say, so them forward, them sing the little nastiness, get too tricking forward, because trick the people and trick on you. You get couple sure, because you know some people believe in investing in a young world. Too little giddy head, kiki head, pitney scream, and you get too forward. Next 3 months, where you there? You're broke, but you have a lifestyle where you create the little time where you name it a car. Megan British, big up. So, you live in a nicer apartment, you buy one car with more harder to maintain, and you start have sex with certain type of girl. Because remember the girl them still not like you, you know. On the bus, so the girl them are work with you know, but them not like you. So as soon as the fame gone, the only way to keep the girl is to keep spending. You understand? So everything for now more expense. So when the wave left on you now, because remember when I sing not really good, it's just a frenzy, you know. Because some man understand when you're boss from when you have a little frenzy go on. So when the frenzy fade out now, you still a try living in the same apartment. You still a drive the same car. Zine, you still a try maintain and keep the same girl them. But you now make the same money.
Yeah, my people, so we're anything could I agree with what the selector is saying. I don't feel like, so look, things and times change. The youth them are going to sing what them want to sing. And of course, you know, so some girls and some people out there like them little, you know, loose song there you can say. You see, because obviously, if them, the artists them never did get a little hype, they would continue to do it. But it's obvious that those music now gonna really get the push like what this I get, you understand? We don't really see them type of songs there. I get no plaque and, you know, and set certain record and them thing there. You see it. But let me know anything about this in the comment section. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is the unruly boss Popcaan. See my people. So of course you know say last night to this morning was unruly fest, right my people? And you don't know a lot of entertainers come out and shell down them performance and all of that. See? So this morning about 5:30, yeah man, the police them forward, as a matter of fact, not even 5:30, 5 a.m. The members of the Jamaica Constable Air Force, them basically requested that the mics be turned off and the event be brought to a close, right my people? So you don't know them forward on stage while Joshua was actually performing. Them not even wait till him done perform. Them go so boom and, you know, the police take the microphone and say, yo, we need all mics to turn off, everything for shut down now. Popcaan get dark, my people. Let me actually show you how Popcaan reacted. Watch this.
Mr. Jaja Fall! Jashi. Uncle. Manners and respect, my back. Uncle. Take it easy, uncle. That is it. Anything what him say.
It's 4 o'clock and we do it till 5 o'clock.
We can say one more thing, my back.
It is time to go.
Uncle, hold on, uncle. Look here now.
Okay.
Uncle, watch you now. That's why St. Thomas can better. Gonna fight every team what we do. Gonna move up. We tired of you know. Bumper class. Push him up. Hey, pull up. Sure. Yeah, pull up. Sure. Pull up. Hey, sure. Don't tell me nothing, Carlos. Yo, we could have keep my bumper class to a stadium. And it's right like this. Only two bad man down and put him in a light. I don't try to go. I don't try to go. I care about your master, no way you. And I like you know you. When I violate everything. I want to know. St. Thomas can better with everything. Bumper class don't know. Yeah, run St. Thomas native too. Yeah, run St. Thomas native. What are they done to you? You probably know. What's what is that? You roll. What are they mumble like that? Everybody jump. Yeah, what's what is that, brother? Dollar sign, not tell me none. Up here.
Yeah, my people, so that is what's taking place. You see it, and a lot of persons actually say, yes, Popcaan, you know, you did good. Yes, what man say, because the police them always do something like this, and you don't know that's why don't St. Thomas can't really better. You see me, because I remember, you know, my people, Popcaan did say I got kind of ease off for keeping unruly fest down at St. Thomas, because him feel like the police them down there target him, and you know St. Thomas at them man the place, you know. You understand what I say, my people, so. Boy, I don't know. Popcaan say him could have keep it a stadium and it ram up on them thing there, see it, but I don't know. Will Popcaan continue to keep unruly fest in St. Thomas, Zine, or him go just say, oh, you know, the police them nah ease up the pressure upon me, you know. I go just low it this so all together. Let me know what you thinking in the comment section, you see it. So the next thing we're going to talk about is an unfortunate situation that took place where a woman police officer did have to call up her son because it is alleged that the youth rush off her with a K-N-I-F-E. You understand, my people? I don't want to say the word. Obviously, that's why I spell it as it. So the Jamaica Observer put out a post saying a female police officer reportedly called her son multiple times in the upper part after he allegedly rushed her with a K-N-I-F-E. It is understood that the incident occurred sometime after 7 p.m. on Friday in the Ebonyville community in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. So that is what's taking place. Sad situation, my people. Remember, you know, each own a mother have to do that to her son. You see me? That sound like a relationship where just turn sour. You see me? And maybe it never good from morning. I don't know, but yes, sir. The thing is still enough people. I don't know if she did have to do it in her chest, but then again, she have to protect her life, you see me? Probably, she should have in her leg or whatever. I don't know if it's some people. Because we have to look on it say her own a youth. But you can't stand up and make your youth, take your life. So, situation sad. Yes, what man said. That's all I can say. And you don't know, said, well, them never said the youth, pass away or anything like that. So, really and truly, I don't want him pass away. But me know no trust now go there again. You understand? No trust now go there again. Because if my son or daughter try to do that to me, you think me I go trust you? You'll never get me trust you again. Never. Me not say me not go there around you, but me I watch you keenly, but you can't live with me. Anyway, my people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the group T.O.K performing the song Chichi Man. I remember some time ago, in this year, my people, May the 6th to be exact, an article was posted by Loop News, right? And basically it said T.O.K cut ties with Chichi Man song, which caused a lot of persons to be upset. Even Foota Hype actually went out and do a live and call them out. And him they call out Buju Banton, because Buju Banton denounced the Boom Bye Bye song. So Foota Hype call out T.O.K and say, yo, how no fair cut ties with that when that is, I guess you can say, one of them biggest songs. I'm not going to say them biggest song, but that song there was like a very, very popular song for T.O.K. You understand what I mean, some people. And then we see one of the group member, Craigie T, you don't know him I'm not sure if a CVM or TVJ, but he might do some TV hosting thing. You understand my people. And of course, he's still a dancehall artist. That's it. But him forward out and say, oh, him not support that there because it seemed like I just maybe one or two member out of the group or maybe one person say them not go perform it. I don't know. Because if him account it, obviously him was not there when this interview was being conducted. So them perform it. You see it. I never know which part them perform it. But I show you the clip. A lot of persons are react to it and I say, yeah man, the fire can't stop blaze. So watch this.
We represent for the Lord. Who sing it? Who sing it?
Yeah, my people, so T.O.K, this part of T.O.K, because obviously, I just two persons, want to say BSE and Craigie T. See it, we don't see Flex and the rest of artists where did unite, there were four of them, right? The other one, I remember what his name, but anyway, I don't see him there as well, see, so I just two persons out of the group, even though the group, I never know if them together or not. Sometimes I see them go up on tour together for the group and then the next time me see them no good. So I don't even know. But anyway, I can't say I just, two of them there. But let me know what you think about this in the comment section. You see it? So the next thing we're going to talk about is Miss Kitty husband buying her a 2024 Range Rover, my people. Yeah, man, this is definitely a good look. A lot of persons, you don't know, a big up Miss Kitty. And them happy for her. Of course, the bad mind people, them. When I like Miss Kitty, because, Miss Kitty have a whole heap of haters out there still, I don't want to feel like say everybody love Miss Kitty, And enough people don't like her because, of course, she have her standards and she have boundaries, you understand? Remember, she come out and say, boyfriend, not forget husband treatment, And it, that cramp a whole heap of people, all man feel away, You understand what I say? So, you don't know, she turned wife and all of that. Currently pregnant and thing. Husband surprise her with a 2024 Range Rover, my people. And a lot of persons love it. Love this fair. Here's what man say. And me actually love it. Here's it. As some man for spoil them woman when you have good woman. Spoil her and give her the world. Here's it. We have to support this, Here's it. Because she has spoiled him as well. Because she she take, based on I think it's an interview, she make certain steps for ensure say her husband is well taken care of. And that is exactly what a wife does. Here's it. Anyway, my people, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. So the next thing we're going to talk about is Fully Bad and Coyote doing an interview together. Well, them never actually did it together in person, but them did on the Instagram live together. You understand, my people? And you don't know, I think this is a good step in the right direction as it relates to them two entertainers here, because you don't know when the whole thing did I go on with Demarco. I did I wonder if there was like some bad blood between Fully Bad and Coyote, but it seemed like even if there was, it kind of seemed like they moved past it now, and the two, we can't expect a good clash at Sting with no, we not have no police in front of them. You understand what I say? Even though we say a pre-show what they at on stage and thing, and the two of them conduct themselves good. So I like this still. So them do an interview and them talk about how it feels for go up and Sting and all of these things. I actually leave you with this interview. I want to can tell me when you think is it. Big up to Fully Bad, big up to Coyote. We are hope the two you them get the break and stuff like that. Of course, Shane was a part of the clash. Not sure if he might go up on Sting. We know them are gonna go up on it because them are say Leng no pay him the money as yet. So I guess this might be the only clash on Sting as far as me know. As I don't know nobody else who will clash. We know D-Angel dep on it. I'm not sure if K-Queen's dep on it. And even if K-Queen's dep on it, I don't know if D-Angel will clash.
What does it feel like to be a selected artist to be performing at Sting this year?
Yeah, man, it's a great feeling, man, Feel like part of the mission accomplished, though. Yeah.
Well said. Mission accomplished. And how does it feel for you, Fully Bad, to be a selected artist for Sting 2023?
Well, it's a great feeling, you see it, because we've been putting in the work, you see me? Yeah, it's a Sting, one of the great one-night show on Earth, you see me? Well, it's a great feeling to be a part of it, and we are lucky this year, you see me? That is it.
I'm hearing great things. So, Coyote, throughout your music career, from when you first started to now, what did it take to reach this level of success that you are now a Sting performer?
Honestly, I don't know. I just believe and hard work, you see it? Believe and hard work, you get me? Yeah, man. That's the key for every locksmith, you hear that? Fully.
And what about you, Fully Bad? What did it take from when you first started to now to reach this level of success?
I just hard work, you see me? Yeah, about 10 years out of work now, you see it?
10 years.
You not just come overnight, Yeah, man, only if a studio will walk up, only if a time we get locked out a studio, only if a fight and them something there, but I just believe, Never stop.
Never give up. That's good advice.
Never give up.
And Coyote, what qualities is the Sting audience looking for when they're looking at a performing artist? Like, what does the audience want to see?
Well, to me, the audience just want to see entertainment, they get me. They want to see realness, they want to see the artists are connect with them soul, you hear that? Really sweet. Yeah.
And Fully Bad, what do you bring to the stage when you're performing? Like, what separates you from all the other artists?
Style I'm bring forth, you see, pray. Yeah. Because me is a hardcore DJ with flavor. You see, pray. And Fully Bad, you don't know the name says it all already, so you can just expect anything, though.
And Coyote, how much preparation goes into the days leading up to Sting?
And I really not new still, because we always are preparing and we prepare for anything, you get me? So every day we work, so I just one of them, next thing they forget to away.
Awesome. And Fully Bad, what qualities does a performing Sting artist need to have a good show? Like, what are the qualities? What kind of artist does it have to be?
Well, I don't know. I just great lyrics for fans them want to hear, you see me? Like some bad wordplay and them something there. And performance, energy, you have to have the energy back at it. You see it? You have to connect with the fans them, interact with the fans them, you see it? Because entertainment it name down. Yeah, so as a bad artist, I just that you need down.
And Coyote, what would you say is your strength as a music artist?
My strength, but I say my strength, I'm realness, you see it? Probably that's the reason why I can easily find the lyrics, because I'm right exactly what I feel, and when I see other people can relate to, you get me? So I feel like that I'm my strength.
And Fully Bad, what is your strength as an artist?
Well, me never really try to show my strength yet still. You see, pray. Yeah, we just keep it in our circle. No.